Friends, we are living at a time unlike any other in human history. The next 5 years will see more technological change than the last 50 years combined. The next 5 years, what's coming? Artificial intelligence will move from helping us to working alongside us in every industry. Robotics will step out of factories and into hospitals, homes, and even classrooms. The space tech will no longer be just about rockets. It will be about satellites, space data, and even space mining. The biotechnology will help us fight disease, grow food sustainably, and extend a healthy life. Quantum computing will solve problems that today's fastest supercomputers cannot even touch. In short, the world we will be walking into 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year will feel completely different from the world we see today. So, what does this mean for us as student, employees, employer? Our job is not just to learn, but to learn how to learn fast, build digital fluency, AI, data, cloud, cyber. No matter what branch you study, think exponentially, not 10% improvement, but 10x transformations. Collaborate across disciplines. The breakthroughs happen when engineers, designers, scientists, teachers, and entrepreneurs work together. Take responsibility. The question is not only can we build this, but also should we build this? And as a responsible citizen, how can we contribute? If you are curious, we can discover. If you are bold, we can invent. If you are compassionate, we can solve problems for millions. So we have an invitation, an open invitation. Over the next 4 5 years, build the skills, build friendships, build dreams, experiment fearlessly, think abundantly, dream moonshoots, and above all, use of energy, our ideas to shape a future that is brighter for everyone. Learn something every day. That's the way to go. That's how we build ourselves. It is ours to build. Thank you.